5.3. Write sample space, that is S, number of sample point, that is n of S, for each of the following. Also write event A, B, C in this set form and write n of A, comma n of B, comma n of C. First question is, one die is rolled. So S will be one die, means 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6. N of S is equal to 6. Now first event A is even number on the upper face, that is A is equal to, open curly bracket, even number means 2 which is divisible by 2, 2, 4, 6. So n of A is equal to 3, 1, 2, 3. N means number, that is 1, 2, 3. Now next event B. Event B is odd number on the upper face, that is B is equal to, odd number means which is not divisible by 2, that is 1, comma 3, comma 5. So n of B is equal to 3. Next, third event is event C, which is prime number on the upper face. Prime number means which is divisible by itself. 1 is not a prime number nor composite. 1 is neither prime number. Second, 2. 2 is divisible by itself. Next, 3. Next, 5. 4 is divisible by 2. Therefore, 4 is not a prime number. 6 is also divisible by 2 and 3. Therefore, 6 is also not a prime number. N of C is equal to 1, 2, 3. N of C is 3. First sum completed. Second, 2 dice are rolled. 2 dice are rolled means sample space will be first 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Next 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next will be 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Next 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Next 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Close curly bracket. N of S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Horizontal 6, vertical 6. So N of S is equal to 36. You all can count each and every number. Now next, first event A, that is the sum of digit on upper face is a multiple of 6. Multiple of 6 means 6 table, that is 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Now sum means addition of both the numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2, which will not go in 6 table, so this number will not come. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, not possible. 1 plus 3, which is 4, not possible. 1 plus 4, which is 5, not possible. 1 plus 5, which is 6. So A is equal to 1, comma 5. 6 1s are 6. Now 1 plus 6, which is 7. Therefore, it is not possible. Next 2 1, not possible. 2 2, that is 2 plus 2, which is 4. 2 3, 2 plus 3, which is 5, not possible. 2 plus 4, which is 6. 6 1s are 6. 2 4, Next 2 5 not possible. 2 plus 6 8 not possible. Similarly 3 plus 1 not possible. 3 plus 2 5 which is not possible. 3 plus 3 6 table, that is 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 ones are 6. So 3 plus 3 3 3 3 4 not possible. 3 5 not possible. 3 6 not possible. 4 1 4 plus 1 which is 5 not possible. Now 2 4, so 4 2 is also possible. 1 5, so 5 1 is also possible. 4 4 not possible. 4 plus 5 not possible. 4 plus 6 not possible. 5 plus 1 possible, which we have written. Next 5 plus 2 not possible. 5 plus 3 not possible. 5 plus 4 not possible. 5 plus 5 not possible. 5 plus 6 not possible. 6 plus 7 not possible. 6 plus 2 no. 6 plus 3 6 plus 4 6 plus 5 6 plus 6 which is 12, that is 6 2s are 12, so that number will come 1 2 3 4 5 6. So n of a is equal to 6. Next event B, the sum of the digits on the upper face is minimum 10. Minimum 10 means greater than 10 number is possible. B, sum means again addition. 1 plus 1 which is 2. This number will not come. 1 plus 2 is not possible. 1 plus 3 no. 1 plus 4 no. 1 plus 5 no. 1 plus 6 no. Similarly second line is also not possible because 2 plus 6 which is 8. Minimum the number should be 10. Now third line is also not possible because 3 plus 6 is 4 plus 1 which is not possible. So direct will consider last number. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. So minimum number should be 10. So we'll consider 4 plus 6. Next 5 plus 1 we won't consider. 5 plus 2 also we won't consider. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 4. Next 5 plus 5 which is 10. So that number will consider. 5 plus 6 which is 11. That number will also consider. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 5 and 6 plus 6 because we need the number greater than 10 or minimum 10. So 4 6 5 5 5 6 6 4 6 5 6 6. So n of b which is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next event C, the same digit on both the upper faces. Same digit means 1 1 diagonally. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. 1 comma 1 2 comma 2 3 comma 3 4 comma 4 5 comma 5 6 comma 6. N of C is equal to 6. Now next question. Three coins are tossed. So S is equal to HHH, HTT, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH, TTT. Compulsory N of S should be 8 when 3 coins are tossed. Now first event A, that is to get at least 2 heads. Now at least 2 heads means minimum 2 heads. More than 2 heads, it is that number will be possible. Now at least 2 heads means first HHH. This term is possible. HHT at least 2 means again second number will come. HTH third term is also possible. Fourth, fifth, HTT at least 2, but now the number of heads present over here is 1, so this term is not possible. Next term is also not possible. Next term is also not possible. Next term is also not possible. So close curly bracket. N of A 1 2 3 4. Next event B, to get No head. No head means only one event is present over here, that is T, T, T. So N of B, which is equal to 1. Now event C, to get head on second coin. Second coin means middle. So first number, first term, second term, third term middle number is T. So this term will not come in event C. Fourth term, because again middle term is H. Fifth term, no. Sixth term, yes. Seventh, no. Eighth, no. Close curly bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4. N of C is equal to 4. Now next question, fourth. Two digits are formed from the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of digit. So S will be 0, 1 is not possible, 0, 2. So we'll start from 1. First 1, 0. 1, 1 is not possible because we need without repetition. So 1, 1 is not possible. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Similarly go with 2. 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2 number will not come. 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Now go with 3. 3, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3 will not come. 3, 4, 3, 5. Next 4. 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4 will not come. 4, 5. Next number is 5, 0, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4. Since we need 2-digit numbers, so we have considered 2 numbers, that is 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, dot dot dot. Last number is 54. Now N of S, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. N of S is equal to 25. Now event A, the number form is even. Even number means which is divisible by 2. That is 2 5s are 10, 12, 13 will not come, 14, 15 no, 20, 21 no, 23 no, 24, 25 no, 30, 31 no, 32, 34, 40, 42, 50, 52, 54. N of A, count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. N of A is equal to 13. Next event is event B, the number form is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 means 3 is stable. That is 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. 18 number is not present, so that number will not come. 3 7s are 21, 23 no, 24, 3 8s are 24, 25 no, 3 10s are 30, 31 no, 32 no, 34 no, 35 no, 40 no, 41 no, 42 yes, 43 no, 45 yes, 50 no, 51 yes, 52 no, 53 no, 54 yes. N of B, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now next event, event C, that is the number form is greater than 50. See, greater than 50 means 50 number will not come. 51, 52, 53, 54. 51, comma, 52, comma, 53, comma, 54. N of C, which is equal to 4. This sum is important sum. Now next sum. From 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons is formed. That is M1, 3 men, M1, M2, M3. Let us consider 3M as M1, M2, M3 and 2 women as W1 and W2. Now first sample space we have to find. So we'll match the following pair. First we'll take M1 with W1, M1 with M1 with W1. Pencil, sir. First M1 with W1, afterwards M1 with W2. Then again M1 with M2 with W1 and M2 with W2. Then again M3 with W1 and M3 with W2. Now M1, M2. Next M1, M3. And next part will be M2, M3 and W1, W2. Now we have to make two person, one community. So we have formed with 2 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N of S is equal to 10. Again this sum is important sum. Now first event A, there must be at least one woman member. At least one means more than one. We can consider it in event A. At least one. So first one is M1 W1. Here one woman member is present. Next is M2 W2. Again one woman number is present. M2 W1. One woman number is present. M2 W2. M3 W1. Leaving M2 M1. Leaving 1, 2, 3. 3 terms, all the terms will be present in even A. M3 W2 and W1 W2. Why W1 W2? Because at least one means minimum one should be present, maximum there can be many number of women. N of A, which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N of A is 7. Where M1, M2, M3 are the 3 names. I have considered it as M1, M2, M3, and W1 and W2 are other 2 names of women which I have considered as W1, W2. Now next event B, one man, one woman committee to be formed. One man and one woman means compulsory one man and one woman should be present. So first term will come in even B, second term will also come, third yes, fourth M3 W1, M3 W2, M1 M2, M1 M3, M2 M3, W1 W2 will not present in even B because we need compulsory one man and one woman in that community. So n of b is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N of b is 6. Now next event is event C, where there should be not be a woman member. No woman member should be present in event C. So we'll consider only male member, that is M1, M2, M1, M3, M2, M3. No other term will be present because only we need male members, no woman members. So N of C is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now next sum 6. One coin and one die is thrown. S is equal to 1 coin and 1 die, means H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Similarly T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. N of S is equal to 6 plus 6, which is 12. Now first event A, where to get a head and a odd number. Event A means head and odd number, that is H1, H3 and H5. So N of A is equal to 3. Next event B, to get a head or tail and an even number. Head or tail, that is event B, head and even number. So we won't consider H1, direct will go to H2. H3 is an odd number, so we won't consider that. H4, H5 again is an odd number, so we will consider H6. Similarly, here we need head and tail, so tail term will also be present. T1 is an odd number, so that term will not come. T2, T4 and T6. So N of B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next event C, number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. Now check here, the number present, last number present is 6. No number is present which is greater than 7. So sample C will be an empty sample. Y'all can empty, or y'all can write it as N of C, which is equal to null set. Why null set? Because no number is present which is greater than 7.